How would you feel if you could put an extra 50 deals to your sales every month moving forward? Wouldn't it be fun coming to work every morning? But until today, if you were a dealer listening to this video and getting all juiced up about the opportunity, you would not have been able to take advantage of this robust and powerful program. You could salivate about it, dream about it, stomp your feet to get it, or hold your breath until you were blue in the face, but it was impossible. That's until today. Hi, my name is Mike with Turbo Marketing Solutions, and yes, starting right now, dealers can now take advantage of this deal-making monster program because Sean Cassy and the team at Turbo have been working to Canadianize all aspects of their program. The mail part is printed and distributed right here in Canada with a super fast turnaround time counted in days. It includes all the components like the IP targeting, social media domination, conquest emails, and SMS responses. We even added a YouTube video blast to make sure everybody in your trading area knows about the opportunity. And most importantly, we'll generate appointments that will turn into deals for your dealership. Why buy leads when you can get appointments with buyers? Now, this program is not for everybody. The traction is quite intense, and we need to make sure you have the right inventory, the right lenders, and the right team in place to handle the volume. If you're interested in adding an extra 25 to 50 deals to your month and becoming the exclusive Canada Credit Financial in your trading area, register using the link underneath this video, and a member of our team will contact you to see if you're a good fit for the program. If 25 to 50 more deals seems like something that would benefit your store, register using the link underneath this video. If you're a good fit for the program, we'll provide you with all the details. And like Sean likes to say, let's sell some cars. Register now.